Demonic Possession, Sorcery and Satanic Pacts, Witchcraft and Exorcism in 17th Century Loudon France. Islam teaches not to go back and forth when a real plague breaks loose. People who are undesirable will produce group behavior of a problematic nature. More often, priests would have probably known about the centuries when priests could be married. They also tend to be cool with the priests having affairs and prostitutes and stuff. Well, they said it was wrong, but they tolerated it. Of course, the real reason why the rule for Catholic clergy not to get married occurred is that the church was losing property via inheritance and other squabbles. Urbane grandeur was pretty much the most eligible bachelor. To be an actual conspiracy theory, it must be an explanation with the evidence at hand. Grimoire style would have some of the effect without being authentic spiritual transmission. And by authentic spiritual transmission, I'm also including what would be corrupted tradition as far as carrying on some of that devotional effect. Exorcisms are almost as necessary for teaching the public as executions are. Unlike vampire movies, influence continues as willed by the influenced, regardless of what happens to even the apostolic heads. And by apostolic, I mean, that the path is personally transferred from individual to individual. And I mention the thing about plagues because they, of course, were talking about the circumstances that led to some of the things that happened.